Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how you can create a YouTube subscribe link for your YouTube channel. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. So let's start the video. So now I'm in my YouTube channel studio and I will go to here customization area. And in the customization area, here you can see channel URL. So I will copy it and I will go to here Google Docs. Okay. In the URL, we will add a question mark and then add sub underscore confirmation. Confirmation equals 1. At the end of the URL, you will add sub underscore confirmation equals 1 and I will copy it. And now I will check it in the URL. When I visit the URL, YouTube shows a pop-up here for subscribing. So now you will add that link where you want to share or where you want to add. That's all the video. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and liking. Thanks for watching.